Now, today's vehicle is an absolutely beautiful 2012 Ford Mustang GT California Special, and believe it or not, but the owner has been using it as a farm car. Now, of course, because it seems like I can't get away from these things, the Mustang has carpeted wheel well liners that are holding onto a ton of gravel dust. So once I've made sure to be nice and thorough to get it all out, I can turn to the wheels, and I'll also make sure to spray down in the barrel of the wheel from different angles again to get all that stuck on dirt off. Moving to the underside now, and knowing how much the car has been on gravel roads, I know the underside will be covered in dust too, so using my undercarriage sprayer here can give me that peace of mind that none of it is going to be missed. Alright, with the Mustang covered in some nice thick foam, I'll go around the entire vehicle with my boar's hair detail brush and use it to get into all the tighter areas and crevices my wash mitt would miss, like behind the gas door and up on the front end around the grille and fog lights where all the dead bugs were. Moving to the couple of dirty floor mats and getting a liberal amount of my carpet solution sprayed on, I'll agitate with the drill brush to loosen everything up, and then the pressure washer can just make really quick work of them. And to answer a question that I know some of you have, yes, I do extract the remaining water out of these later on when I've got the Bissell out. Now in the trunk here, after I got the ridiculous amount of dust sucked out of the carpet, I'll turn my attention to the subwoofers, and seeing how dusty they are, it's going to be far easier to clean if it's outside of the car, so I'll quickly get it unscrewed, disconnected, and removed. Now, like I had mentioned earlier, for the floor mats that I pressure wash, I always just put them aside until later on when I've got the Bissell out, and then extract the remaining water out to get them perfectly clean. Here's the half bucket full of dirty water pulled out of the Mustang. Gross. Alright, now turning my attention to the dirty and dusty interior trim, I'll go around with some APC diluted 10:1, and after spraying it into a slightly damp microfiber towel, I'll simply wipe everything down using a detail brush for the crevices around the door handle and the lock, and then I'll follow up with a dry towel to remove any remaining APC residue. Now for this super dusty subwoofer enclosure here, I'm opting to use the steamer as there's a ton of small crevices, so the steam is able to easily blast the dirt and dust out from them, and then I'll just wipe it clean with a microfiber towel. Alright, with the entire interior dressed and UV protected now, I'll move to the glass, and you've probably heard me say it in previous videos, but the secret to streak-free glass is a waffle weave towel. Plus, they won't leave any lint behind like regular microfiber towels will, and if you've ever had troubles with getting the inside of your windshield streak-free, well, I really don't do anything special here, besides flip my towel for the final wipe and never have any streaks.
Want it? Have a look?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's really that's sweet. I was gonna say that is insane how much of a difference that makes.
Yeah. A little less dust in there now, so.
Yeah, no kidding. I was gonna say when I originally got the car, it wasn't even that clean to begin with, so it's a nice change.
Yeah, for sure. All right. Well, I'll do those and
Awesome. Appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Enjoy it.